you look at the four: resiliency, sustainability, transportation, housing, and workforce development, they're all interwoven. We have plenty of jobs in the city. If individuals can't have a way to get there, or it takes so long to get there for a minimum wage job, they're going to go unfilled. So it is critical that we have transportation solutions. And I commend everyone that works at Hart for all that you do to provide those services for our citizens every single day. And for the arts is another area that is near and dear to my heart, arts and culture. I think that goes to the very essence of a society. If you look historically, when other countries would invade someplace, the first thing they would try to destroy is the art, because they want to take away that civilization's identity. They want to destroy them as a community. And so it is so important that we focus on art, on culture, on our history as not only a nation, but as a city as well.
Let's unveil this thing, shall we? Mr. Ben Donnely, would you like to come up and say a few words about your art?
This will be a rolling canvas that can go through the community and everyone can see it, and you'll take something home different depending on where you're from and what you've been through in life, but art is always the glue that holds the community together. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.